Good morning and welcome back. Let us start our session again. And today in this session we shall discuss the last 20 questions of our constitution class. The question number 80. The chief source of political power in India is the people. Because our preamble, which is the soul of our constitution, our preamble says that we the people of India do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. So the chief source of our political system is the people of India. Question number 81. Which has the most profound influence in framing the Indian constitution? The Government of India Act 1935. Here I would like to mention that our constitution is not an unique one. It is an amalgamation of good features of different constitutions. We have taken the concept of single citizenship from UK, fundamental rights from USA, fundamental duties from USSR. But the most profound influence on our constitution has been the Government of India Act 1935. Who was the last British Governor General who addressed the Constituent Assembly? Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten was the last Viceroy of India, and he also became the first Governor General of Free India. First Governor General of Free India. Which article mentioned the post of the chairman and the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha? Article 89. In case president rule in the state is not approved by the parliament, for how many months the same promulgation shall last? 6 months. So president rule is initially imposed for a period of 6 months. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, a provision has been made in the fundamental duties. You know that our fundamental duties are not part of the original constitution. They were included in the constitution by the 42nd Amendment 1976. And in the fundamental duties, the policy of sovereignty, unity and integrity of the country is provided. Article 356 deals with President's rule in a state, the proclamation of President's rule in a state. So Article 352, Article 356 and Article 360, these three articles deal with emergency provisions. Question number 87. In what way the Finance Commission can recommend for the Centre for transfer to sources to states, subsidy and tax share? Very important question. Which one of the directive principles was not included in the original constitution but was added by the 42nd Amendment? Free legal aid. Who has the authority to proclaim emergency in the states? President. Who has the right to convene the joint session of the two houses of parliament in India? President. The first 5-year plan in India was launched in the year 1951. Which constitutional article defines the Panchayati Raj? Article 253. Very important. Panchayati Raj system mentioned in Article 243. Which one is competent to amend the law relating to Indian citizenship? Again the parliament. Actually the parliament is the supreme authority for enacting any law in the country, taking into consideration the provisions laid in our constitution. No law can be made violating the provisions of the constitution. If any such law or act is made which is in contravention with the provisions of the constitution, then such a law or act will be treated as ultra vires and will be null and void with immediate effect. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India acts as the chief accountant and auditor for the both union and state governments. The Supreme Court of India consists of a Chief Justice, and now this number has been changed. This is 33 now. How many seats are reserved for union territories in the Lok Sabha? 15 seats. Which article of the Constitution of India has the joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha been provided? Article 108. In the national flag, which color is used in the wheel? Navy blue. Which article of Indian Constitution mentions about Finance Commission? Article 280. This is very important question. From Finance Commission you can get some other questions like, for how many years the Finance Commission is constituted? It is constituted for 5 years. Who was the first chairman of the first Finance Commission? The answer is Sri Niyogi. So Niyogi, Sri Niyogi or Sri K.C. Niyogi was first chairman of the first Finance Commission. What is the literal meaning of secularism? Separation of church from the state. So the meaning of secularism is separation of church from the state. So here we come at the end of this 100 questions. I am a bit doubtful about the answer of question number 95. Students are requested to please check it with the Google. So now our constitution class is over, and please stay tuned with us because we shall play another geography class very soon. Thank you.